everybody. This is Rich Cook. I'm going to be your host this evening. I just got some exciting. Well, I'm not going to give that away. I'll tell you what. We want to welcome you. Justin Clark will be joining us here very shortly. Our CEO and our co-founder of iCoinPro. He's going to be sharing a wealth of information that you guys, I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to want to miss. There are some exciting things that are coming out here very shortly. It's not only exciting to see where iCoinPro has been and where we are right now, but really where it's going, and seeing how important it is that you're on this call this evening is going to be phenomenal, which will seriously could change your life in the next 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months from now. You guys, listen, right now, I'm just going to assume you may not have a pen or a piece of paper. Grab your pen, your paper, pencil, whatever it's going to be, your whiteboard, your chalkboard. You're going to want to take some notes. You're wanting to definitely get some of this information that Justin's going to be sharing. And I can attest to this. I've known Justin for years now, about 10 years, And I've seen what he has done, and it just blows me away what he's done over the last few years in the crypto space. Yet more importantly, I get more excited talking with him, and I can share this with you. It is no joke. I do not even understand it all. He is the master when it comes to trading. Even Coinbase said that, and I got to tell you, that's the exciting thing, that a lot of you are on this call right now for this. And you're in a position that a lot of people in about 3 to 6 months from now are going to be thinking of one of two things. Man, I wish I would have joined iCoinPro way back when, or I'm glad I did. And that's going to be the bottom line. So you guys, listen, pay close attention to what Justin's got to say. He's got some valuable information. This is a lot of value that he's going to be sharing with you tonight. So I'm going to hand it over to him. Justin, are you out there right now? Are you on here?
Yes, absolutely. Rich, thank you. Thank you for hosting here tonight, and for everything that you're doing for iCoinPro and helping this company get out there to the masses, because that's what we're all about. We want to just impact 1 million lives, around the world, and help them through learning the simple system that we have to day trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We could not make this any simpler for people. It's as simple as counting to 1, 2, 3. So if you've done the boot camp that we give away for free, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. But Rich, thank you for being here. And then also we've got Cliff Lettner here and Alfonso Jones. Everybody stick around too, because you're going to want to hear their stories and what they're going to share tonight about what's happening for them with the micro profit system and trading with our system. And also with the iCoinPro affiliate opportunity, which is absolutely explosive right now. And that's the beauty of what we actually are offering people, is a dual income opportunity where, in most opportunities, when you get into them, you have to introduce people, right, to make money. Okay, that's kind of like the core thing. You got to go and call your Aunt Sally and say, Aunt Sally, I got a deal. I found this internet gem, and I want you to check out this link. And Aunt Sally looks at you crazy because it's the 50th one that you brought, right? So the cool thing about iCoinPro is we have an amazing product called the Micro Profit System. It is something that you can learn in a week. You can master in a couple weeks. Okay. And you can learn a skill that nobody can ever take away from you to make income on demand from the crypto markets. All right. Day in, day out. And once you learn this, one, you can make way more than your monthly membership of only $39.95. It's almost unbelievable what we charge for this. But secondly, you can make a lot more than that, even potentially a full-time income. We have people who have been doing this for years, trading with this system, some of them since 2017. So I want you to pay attention tonight to what we're going to share with you, because we have a perfect storm of factors that are coming together to create an opportunity which I believe can really create generational wealth for those who apply themselves now. I mean, this is one of those times And it's the perfect combination of product and also marketing system at the right time in the markets. I want to address this first. Most people, when we talk about trading, they think trading is like they see in the movies, right? You got guys in a pit, they're screaming, orders, stuff like that. You got the guy with 27 monitors, he's watching all these news feeds and, all this madness. And, they're sitting there all day watching charts and, making a lot of money and losing a lot of money. And it's just nuts. If I had to do that day in and day out, I would not trade. Okay. And honestly, I don't know the people who do that or that style of trading. I have no idea. That's just not for me. The last thing I want to do is sit in front of my computer all day watching charts. Okay. That's not what I want to do. So when I talk about trading, a lot of people think it's like that or it's complicated or something. We have created such a black and white system that it's something that anybody can learn. You don't need any particular skills or background or history or experience or anything. You come in, you do the boot camp, which is free. All right. And you get through that and you proceed through the training course. You can learn this entire system, just moving through the training. And let me explain to you, once you master the system, this is what your day is like with trading. Okay. You spend a few minutes in the morning, you look at our software, you set up some alerts, maybe 10 minutes, might take you 15 minutes if there's a lot you want to look over. And then you set those alerts and then you go about your day. That's it. And if those alerts go off, it means that there's a trade. If there's a trade and it's what you want, you trade it. Okay. You can make money at the grocery store, which I have plenty of time. I paid my entire grocery bill in the grocery store, walking down the aisle at Target. Okay. You could, pay for dinner at dinner. I did a post the other day. I was out to lunch with my 7-year-old. A beautiful trade showed up. I did the trade real quick, paid for the entire lunch. Okay. It's something that it is not disruptive to your life. And it's actually kind of cool and kind of fun once you really get it down that you can do this. And there are days when you can make, I've made over $1,000 sitting at a park with my kid trading the micro profit system. All right. That is the power of what we offer for people. And I want to make sure, listen, there are disclaimers in the description of this video. There are disclaimers on the website. You can go to iCoinPro.com. Please read our disclaimers. There is risk, in trading. You can lose some or all of your money if you do it. In my opinion, with our risk management, you'd really have to not be doing our system to end up in those type of bad situations. But there is risk. So you have to understand that. You have to follow the system and stick to it. Okay. But what we've been able to put together with the micro profit system is really kind of lightning in a bottle. Again, it's the only thing I've seen in network marketing where a person can make way more than their monthly membership by using the system itself. It's so powerful to have this in a network marketing company and a network marketing compensation plan. So again, I've been in network marketing, affiliate marketing for over 20 years. I have the gray hair now to prove it. And I've never seen a combination like we've got going on right now. So in fact, if I'm wrong, you can message me. Maybe there was something in those 20 years, but there's nothing out there like what we're doing right now. So this is the type of thing where you should learn this system to benefit, yourself and your finances and your family, and your children should learn the system. I believe every household should have one person in it that knows how to trade the micro profit system and adds additional income to their family, or even a lot more. Now, the beauty of what we do is it all starts with this boot camp. Okay. It's a simple boot camp with 3 to 5 minute videos. You can go through the entire thing in 40 minutes. And once you're done, you will have crypto trading on your phone. It'll be part of your life. and you'll actually know your first trade. You'll actually know the trade that I win over 97% of the time with. All right. So that trade is in the boot camp. And more importantly, I think you're going to know that you can actually do this. Once you do that boot camp, you're going to go, you know what? It's not complex. It's not mystical anymore. It's simple. And it's simple because honestly, I died a million deaths trading crypto to find the one thing that worked over and over and over and over and over again, no matter what the market was doing, whether it was going up, whether it was going down. So the benefit to the users of this system and being able to just walk in and learn and trade and use what I've created over the past, geez, Zooks, now we're going over 6 years, all right, is immense, because it was hard. And there were times, listen, trading can be really, really difficult if you don't know what you're doing. And if you follow our system, you will know what you're doing and you'll absolutely kill it and have a lot of fun doing trading. And if that's not enough, I mean, because we've already created the system, it exists, the software is there, we're making it even better. The future of crypto trading is about to arrive with the iCoinPro trading portal. I don't care what you're doing in trading crypto. I don't care if you're doing the micro profit system, if you're doing your own strategies, you're doing all these things. This trading portal is unlike anything else that exists in crypto today. It is world-class. It is beyond anything you're going to find out there anywhere else. And we have it. And it's going to become available to the members of iCoinPro very, very shortly. So I want to shift gears here for a second. The product is obviously rock solid. We know that it's not under, a trial or anything like that. This product has been tested in you wouldn't even believe the days we've traded through and come out smelling like roses with massive profits. And it's all because of how the system works. Now, what's exciting is we've coupled that with a Powerline driven marketing system for the affiliate side. So now you can take this amazing product and refer it to other people and develop a residual income helping other people with this absolutely amazing product. And here's the biggest difference about what we do compared to any other network marketing company. And I want you to write this down, okay? The bulk of products that you buy in other network marketing companies are liabilities, meaning that they cost you more than they make you, right? So you buy the potion, you buy the lotion, you buy the pill, okay? And you spend your $60. Well, guess what? How much money are you making back for spending that $60? Nothing. All right. Yes, maybe if you refer some people, you'll make some money, but the actual product is a liability to you. Okay. Robert Kiyosaki talks about we want to buy assets, not liabilities, right? Guess what we sell in iCoinPro? We sell an asset. Think about that for a minute. So not only can you make money with the product, way more than the $39.95 that we're charging for it, okay? You can refer other people to that same product and bless their lives with this product that they can transform their financial condition with. So what's so cool about what we're doing now with the Powerline system is this type of marketing system is it's system driven, not sponsor driven. Okay. In network marketing, you want to have something where the system takes over for you and gets people active and getting results that is way beyond your scope of personal influence. And it's so easy to get people involved in this because of the fact all you have to do is give away a free boot camp that teaches them a trade that they can do where they can win over 97% of the time potentially if they learn the system. All right. So 40 minutes, they do this free boot camp. Crypto is part of their lives. All right. It's on their phone and it's incredibly powerful and they gain the confidence to know they can take the next step. That's why we made this so simple, so powerful. You just share this video with people. All right. They watch it, they get their free boot camp, And we're currently converting about 20% of the people, sometimes through personal referral, 40% or more. So we know if you go out and give out 10 to 20 of those boot camps, your ability to hit 1 star in our compensation plan is crazy. That's just giving away a free boot camp, 10 to 20 of them. That's what you need to do. When you do that, you move up the ranks. Guess what you do? Teach other people to do the exact same thing. Give out 10 to 20 free boot camps and get in the power line. This marketing system is insanely powerful. It is working like clockwork day in, day out. So we have put all of these different pieces of the puzzle together like never, ever before. I firmly believe we have combined one of the most powerful products ever to exist in network marketing now with the most powerful marketing system. And to that end, I want to have a couple individuals come out here and talk tonight about their experiences. And we're going to go with Alfonso first. And Alfonso, I know you've done a lot of network marketing, affiliate marketing. You've also done trading before with other trading systems. Maybe you can talk a little bit about, the affiliate side, and then compare apples to oranges, maybe a little bit, with what you've experienced before and what it's like with the micro profit system. So the floor is yours, sir.
Awesome. Can you hear me okay?
Yep, you're coming through loud and clear.
All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, my name is Alfonso, and I just want to give it back to Justin, because here's the reality is that you can do a lot of different things in the network marketing industry, but the captain that steers the ship, the captain that keeps it on course and make sure it doesn't crash or make sure that it doesn't have problems, that's the gentleman that is a very, very important man to make sure that he secures that income that you're generating, whether it's from the utilization of the things you learn or the tools you use or from the compensation plan. So Justin's that guy, and we have the right captain, the right guy steering the ship. So thanks for all you do, Justin and Paul and the rest of the team that's making amazing things happen. So I'm not going to take a lot of time, but just to tell you a little bit about myself, I've been in the industry for a long, long time. I was 2 years in the Marine Corps, found this industry, and I struggled a lot, right? Because it wasn't always the right product, or maybe it was the right product with the wrong compensation, and just kind of went all over the place, right? And one of the main things that I've learned is that you got to find 3 key things to make sure you're in the right place at the right time. And I'm just going to go over those 3 things. Number 1 is the leadership, right? The company and leadership. And we have that. I just talked about Justin and Paul, the amazing team. And they are people that have not only been in the field, but they've been in the leadership realm. So they know how the field works. They know how they operate, and they know how to do the right things to make sure that the company stays profitable. The company pays how they're supposed to. The company makes sure they do everything that they promise that they're supposed to do. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the product. Now here I'm talking about, I'm going to talk about the compensation plan and how exciting it is, but you can have all the amazing compensation plans and the 1s and 0s and 6s and 8s and dollar bills, but if you don't have the right product, see, what's going to happen is over time people are going to get tired of it. Over time, it's going to end up in their garage. It's going to end up in their trash can. If you don't have the right product, it's just not going to be continuous, right? And the crazy thing about this company is people come and people leave, but they always come back because the products just simply, well, I don't know, they work, right? And what's crazy about this is that crypto's not going anywhere, right? And it's a product that can allow you to be profitable without having to go tell one soul, one person, zilch nada, right? And it's a very profitable income stream that, as Justin said earlier, it's an asset, right? Go read Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. I didn't make it up. I didn't say that. He said it. You want to have assets in your life. So why have a liability or something that you can only use once, right? Drink that drink, not knocking any companies, but something you can only utilize once and then it's gone. Why not have a skill that can last forever and that you can pass on to your kids' kids, and they can have a skill that can pay bills and that they can do what they want for passion and not for profits because they're already trading for profits. So the product is legit and something that can make you money no matter where you are. Listen, I'm at my son's practice, but I got alerts going on, right? That's why I'm in the garage. I'm proving to you that not only can I trade anywhere, but I can build anywhere, right? So the product just works, right? Has been working for years. This is not something brand new. It's not on trial. It has been proven that this works at a high percentage rate. Now, past profits don't guarantee future results. All that disclaimer stuff that he'll put out there, but the product just works. And the last part is a compensation plan / system, right? And the compensation plan is bar none one of the best that I've ever seen. It allows everybody to win. Now, what's important about that is not everybody's the same. Not everybody builds. Not everybody has the ability to go out there and have a list and have this and that and other and be able to sponsor 20, 50, 100, 1,000 people. But the compensation plan allows anybody, whether you can sponsor 3, 5, 10, to be able to win. But on the other flip side of that is the marketing system. So simple that anybody, a 10-year-old, 15-year-old, 20-year-old, 70-year-old, 100-year-old can win. Hey, Alfonso, I want to win with this. I want to learn the skill, but I also want to build a team. Send out your link. Hey, Alfonso, but I want to build a team of 1,000. Send out your link. Hey, Alfonso, I want to, I want this to go all over the world. I want to build a team in Brazil. I want to build a team in Africa. Send out your link, right? So what they put together is something so simple to where Justin talked about, just give out free boot camps. Now, Justin may not want me to say this, but you can truly master, right? You can master this entire system, micro profit system, from the free boot camp alone, right? Poof, right? Blown mind emoji. From that alone, you can master one of the trades, the dip. You can master that. Now, of course, we have the tools that go along with that make it easier, that make you be able to go anywhere. And that's a system that's coming out that's going to add on to that. That's just going to blow your mind. Now, don't get me wrong, right? It's amazing, but for free, you have the ability to learn a skill and then later say, you know what, I want to plug into what my iCoinPro has, and then have the tools with the skill that can make you unstoppable. So we have a company, we have an amazing compensation plan, and then we have a marketing system, right, in addition to products that allows any and everybody to win. So I didn't want to be long-winded, but one thing I'll tell you is this. When you have those three things and you have a community of people helping people to win, you are in a place to where you can reach any level of success that you want. We're here to help you reach the level that you want. If you want to just trade and just enjoy the profits of the micro profit system, welcome home. If you want to build as well as enjoy the profits from the micro profit system, welcome home. If you just want to build and maybe learn how to trade later, welcome home. We make it simple in all aspects and all ways for you to win. And I just want to end with this. Not for $200, $300, $500. I was in a program, not knocking that program. I actually love it. It was a great community to where I was paying $230 some a month to have access to everything that I wanted to have access to be able to win. For here, for less than $40 a month, you have the ability to change and flip your life upside down and never have to worry about a boss, never have to worry about a job unless you want to, never have to worry about anything but answering that alert, taking that trade, no matter where in the world you are. So I'm going to be quiet. We have another great person that's about to jump on, Cliff. He's going to share with you how he's killing it in the markets with what is going on with the micro profit system. So I'm going to be quiet because I want to hear what he has to say, because he has some amazing things to say. Justin, thanks for having me on the call. I'll be quiet.
Thank you. Let me unmute myself. I'm acting like a noob over here. All right, Alfonso, thank you so much. I appreciate that, man. And thank you for being here and stepping outside to share with everybody for a couple minutes. And that's a cool thing. I'm probably going to do one of these presentations from the beach one afternoon or something like that. Like I was there all day today. And that's the beauty of what we do. I mean, you can trade from wherever you are. Listen, a lot of things talk about turning your cell phone into, an ATM or some marketing line like that. We can actually deliver on that. I mean, that is actually possible. And it was funny. I was talking with Cliff actually just before this, before we started here tonight, and we were talking about that, about trading on your desktop. And Cliff's like, yeah, I'm always on my phone. That's where he trades. He's always out and about. So, and he's killing it. And it's completely and entirely possible, with what we do. So without any further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Cliff here. Give you the floor, Cliff. If you want to talk about your journey a little bit, and you've been trading now for some time with the micro profit system. I know people would love to hear your story and your experience.
Yeah, thank you, Justin. Yeah, it's crazy. I actually had 2 phone calls yesterday. One was a lady up in Idaho, and she was calling to recruit me into 7K metals. And then I had another call from a lady in Tucson, both yesterday. And she wanted to recruit me into some sort of a health and wellness thing. And she was using big scientific words that I didn't understand. And so I basically just shared my message with them about what I'm doing with iCoinPro. And they were kind of blown away that when I told them I don't make anything in the marketing plan, everything that I make with iCoinPro, and it's thousands of dollars each month, is from the product. And the product is a system that allows you to trade, it teaches you to trade and gives you tools to trade in the years ago. Actually, a little before that, I was actually looking around. I've been in the kitchen and bath remodeling business for a lot of years, but I realized that the day was going to come when I could not do that anymore. That business was going to end for me. And when that business ended, then that would mean that my income stream would end as well. And so I was kind of anxious, and I was looking around, and one day, just out of pure luck, and I'm so grateful for that day, I came across the iCoinPro website and loved what I saw there. The messaging then is the same as the messaging now, which is we can teach you how to trade crypto online for profit. And there was something specific that is said in there, and I know you've said it before, Justin, where you talk about a skill set, and we can teach you a skill set that will allow you to earn money in the crypto world for the rest of your life. And those really, because of the business that I've been in all my life, skill set and being able to earn money with that really resonated with me. And so I jumped in. I created an account, became an affiliate, started watching all the trainings, started to trade, and I've been doing that ever since, now for a little over 3 years. One of the things that I did that I would recommend to new people is to go out and trade, and then go back and watch the training again, and then trade and watch the training again. There are a lot of aha moments in those training videos when you watch them for the 3rd and 4th and 5th and 6th time. So don't skip that step. Just because you start trading, don't think you know how to do it. You'll learn a lot if you watch the videos again. Another thing that really resonated with me in this whole system was the compound returns. And you can find that in the trading bootcamp video number 6 right now. And I was intrigued by that because it's just math, right? And math doesn't lie. And so at the end of each month, whatever I had earned or gained in trading, I just kept it in the account. And then the next month I was starting out the new month with a little more in my account. And I've just done that consistently every month for 3 years now. And what happens over that time frame, obviously, is as you compound your returns, your trading account starts to get a little bigger. But there's something else about the compound returns that I want to share with you. And that is, not only does your trading account compound over time, but once you've entered 100, 200, 500 or more trades, you're also compounding your skill set, and you're compounding your knowledge. And probably most importantly, you're compounding your confidence in the micro-profit system. It's no longer do you believe that it works, you know that it works. You've done it over and over again. And so now with your trading account up here and your skill set up here to match it, you're fully prepared to be I guess I would call it a pro trader, because you know in your mind and you know in your heart that you can do this, and not a lot changes, obviously. Once you become a pro trader, most pro traders simply do the same thing that you early on, which is squeeze 1, 2, 3 money. You just keep doing the same trade over and over again. And I can't remember the gentleman's name, Justin, but that you had somebody on a few weeks ago, and he talked about when he was trading early on, he would look in the exchange in the order books, and he would see people in there that had trades for 10,000 or 20,000 or whatever it was. And he thought to himself, well, that will never be me. I'll never do that. And then he said, over time, as he compounded his account and he compounded his ability, that was him. And he actually found himself trading with those kinds of orders. I actually looked in an order book recently. Obviously, we do that with every trade. And Justin, I couldn't believe it. My order was the biggest one in the order book. And I thought to myself, well, that can only mean one thing. That means that. So just a little. Anyway, off the fence. It's time to be bullish. The markets are starting to be a little bit more bullish. So get off the fence. Do this. Anybody can accomplish this. I have, and I know that anybody else can. So back to you, Justin.
Awesome. You know, you hit the nail on the head too, right at the end there. The markets are getting pretty exciting right now. And those who have been around and been trading, we know when things start to move and start to move really well, we clean house with the micro profit system. And it looks like we're moving into that phase of the market again, which is extremely, extremely exciting. So now is the time to get involved and learn this system. So listen, you've heard everything tonight. Cliff, absolutely. Thank you so much. Alfonso, I mean, you've heard amazing testimonials. You've heard about what's going on here at iCoinPro. And the reason we do these on Wednesday is because this is our cutoff. Tonight, there's significant value to you just making the decision and going ahead and becoming a paid member. You get to lock in your spot in the power line. And guess what? All of those people that you see below you, they stay there, okay? As long as you are an affiliate, they are there for you to tap into. And it kind of like a savings account that you can tap into and earn on. And you can actually start earning on them right away. Even if you haven't referred anybody yet, you actually have a commission as soon as somebody has signed up underneath of you. And the reason why I love this system is it makes it way more fun. It makes it more of a team building effort. Everybody's working together. Maybe Cliff gets somebody who signs up and that person gets Alfonso's person excited to sign up. And even though they're not on the same teams, you know what I'm saying? Or they weren't enrolled by the same people, they're helping each other, right? And I'm all about that. I'm all about win, 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 win. Not just win, win. I want everybody winning in as many different ways as possible. I don't think we could have put together a better, more compelling program than what we've got right now in this industry. So tonight is the cutoff. So make that decision to get started tonight. And I'm going to leave you with this quote from Mark Twain. It says, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. Don't lose before you even begin by not taking action. Take your shot, get started tonight, and it will be one decision that you will never, ever regret. Thanks for coming out here tonight, and we'll see you soon. It's part of the iCoinPro family. Good night, everybody.